I want to show you my trolling motor setup for my kayak, because why not? It's fun. Plus, it's great for fishing. I actually mounted that board through the rudder mount, and originally my kayak did not have a rudder mount, so I used the hardware that came with it, drilled a hole, melted it in, so now it's solid and secure. Got my trolling motor hooked up. I've got my control rig here. Alright, so I'll explain my setup just a little bit here. So this is my control box. I was going to silicone it in. I haven't done so yet because I'm just trying things out, but it actually can go pretty fast, and if I just cruise at 3 I should have a lot of cruising time. But I have, as you can see, I kept it simple. My steering mechanism, I wanted to be able to control it with my feet, so that when I was out I could fish easily, and honestly it works great. So I just got the ropes through the PVC. PVC is strapped down to this board. This board is wedged in place. Originally I was going to strap it to that, and I actually really like that setup, but when I'm kayak fishing it gets in the way of my tackle box, which, by the way, but add bungees to the inside and it holds your tackle box up. Because I have that rod holder, I've forgotten to take that out and actually driven down the road, and it's been just fine. So this absolutely works. It's fun, it's easy to steer. Because it's not pushing that much, it goes plenty fast. However, I did use my 18-volt toolkit. If I wasn't going that far, those would be absolutely perfect for this. However, they're not ideal for when you're going to go out and fish for however long you feel like. So, and I am trolling the whole time that I'm talking here. I've just got my rod going. Beautiful day. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'm happy to get back to you, explain what I did or why I did it. For me, this was the most logical setup. I tried to go with a simple rig right across the bow, but I could only make right turns. That was not ideal. I've been out here fishing. I haven't been real successful, but I have caught some fish, so whatever. Beautiful day on the water, though. It's an absolutely fantastic day, so, and everything works. That's really cool too. I was assuming that everything would work out fine, but you never really know. So one of the things I was wondering about is if I'd have issues with the trolling motor running into things. And here, where there's literally trees under the water, I've hit a couple already, no issue whatsoever. Cruising just fine, no effort on my part. No real effort, I mean, I set it up, but it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And today, I've got my daughter with, who's just cruising, and she's not in the mood for fishing, so we'll have to try fishing from this another time. So something that is just awesome is I'm pulling Belle, but I'm pulling her with the trolling motor. How's it going, Belle? We're also in Cuyuna, so there's actually trees that we're going right over. It's just awesome. And if I want, I can kick up the speed a little bit farther, but it's pretty cool.